Alrighty, Sharp Customs, we are rolling in. We walked a long way to come back. Look how big this parking lot is. This parking lot is massive. It's huge, man. Kind of, I hope you can hear me with the wind. There is quite a bit of wind today, but we decided I'm not going to shoot video no more in the parking lot. There's way too much echo in around those buildings. Just if you look at that building there with all the, like this major, look at that, man, Southern Ontario. Look at that freaking graffiti. I'm going to come a little closer to the camera so you can hear me. But yeah, look at all that graffiti, man. That is like, that's crazy. So the last time, or one time that we shot a video, was just down where that person is with their dog. Out there, right behind this big building, kind of is the school playground. We couldn't, that was where we were intending to go to shoot this video. But they're setting up for a weekend. It's called it's called the Bazaar. So we figure we just keep on trucking. We come back to this one. We're only I don't know, quarter of a click from HQ, and I think we should have just loaded the car in the truck and kind of drove over here, but we didn't know we were coming this far. So we just kept walking, and as you can see, I did not have to carry the car. I put it on, I bungeed it, to a dolly. Way easier, man, because this thing's, it's probably 35 pounds. And this was way easier to, I'm going to unstrap it. We're going to run it, man. This is a nice big parking lot. We're going to run Ruby Red again. Hopefully it starts. The radio is plugged in. I just got to get rid of the bungee cord. Kind of hold it on. I'll show you what I did on the back side. Bungee cord, holding the car on. Get rid of the bungees. The back side of the car, we'll lay it down. On the back side of the car, put a piece of water noodle. So it was resting up against the lower plate there on the water noodle. I did move around a little bit. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. But take the water noodle off. There you go. Get to see Ruby Red in all its glory. Hopefully, what we're hoping, I did a whole bunch of changes on the rear suspension. We fixed some stuff up. I don't have the fakey motor in it because got to make some better motor mounts for those, those 3D printed motors. It's like you got to cut them open and you got to epoxy some wood inside them to make motor mounts. And I just haven't had that time, man. I've been working on, Steven's project and some other projects, and over the our Canada Day long weekend, well, that's what we call it, I had a flurry of brake jobs. You freaking believe that? Everybody just wanted to come on the freaking, on the long weekend for freaking brake jobs, and it's like, yeah, I wasn't going to turn them down. A lot of family, so yeah, I just told them, yeah, come on over, get it done. Get it done, get it gone. So I'm going to prime this. I'm going to try and pull it over. I didn't normally, get this, normally I warm my vehicles up prior to shooting a video. So it's like, it's a one pull, it fires up, we shoot the video. This one we just got here. You just saw me take it off the cart. I plugged the electronics in. This one I gotta hand bomb the choke. I'm gonna press a little fuel squirter, hopefully through this window. Oh, I can just barely, oh, I can't really get it. I can't really get my, can't get my finger over the carburetor. This one does not have, oh, my arm's, oh, look at that, my arm's stuck. Maybe I can go through here. Go through the front window. Oh, I can just, there we go. Got a pop. Oh, she wants to be stubborn. Gonna have to take the body off. Should have warmed it up. I knew it. Oh, ruby red. Look at this hot rod motor. Parking lot, as you can see. That's a sweet looking car. You might have thought that was a close call. I have brakes. It's a big parking lot. Oh, nice slide! There we go, another hit. Gonna do another hit. Okay, maybe not. Whoa! Hit a stick or some debris there. Whoa! Getting a little crazy. Oh, I love that smell of two-stroke, man. Nothing like that. Yeah, there's a lot of debris in that parking lot. I didn't know there was some big particles like that. You know what we got rid of? We got rid of the rear shatter. I do have a few little steering issues. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to come down here to the dirt. Camera's going to want to move back a bit. Yeah, we got some steering issues going on there. Gotta have a little look. It's doing a little bit of a freak out. Oh, loose wheel. Please don't leave me loose wheel. Like, what the hell? Did we break it? Did we break it? Or is it just a loose wheel? Let's go have a look. It would still go if I wanted it to, but we didn't break nothing. Now, loose wheel, look, the bolt come undone. Which, you know what? I'm gonna hit the kill switch here. So I'm gonna hit the kill switch here, so you can hear me. No, we we lost a wheel, and I'm gonna tell you right now, believe it or not. So I spend time on these things prior to coming out to shoot these videos for you guys. And I go over all this stuff. I tighten that. I shit you not, I tighten that. and we still lost it. And of course, you know me, I don't bring tools with me. I don't bring tools with me. So I can't really put that wheel back on. I have no way to tighten it. I could probably get it on there a little bit, and we could probably do some, you know, we could do some more ripping. But as you saw, I was actually having some steering issues. I really had no steering. The steering is doing its own thing. Now the receiver that I have in here, I did have issues with it. It has a piece of tape on it that actually says, you know, channel 2 is twitchy. And I thought I fixed it. I resoldered the contact. I thought I fixed it. But as you can see, it was doing some weird, you know, twitchy movement. I think it's time to kind of 86 that receiver. But hey, hey man, you got to see it. This thing's a beast, man. It's a little dirty now, doing donuts in the dirt. And I gotta take it back home and I gotta wash it again. You know, make it look all pretty again. But yeah, this car is freaking awesome. It's a beast. I didn't realize that this debris, like this stuff, I didn't realize, you know, when you're looking at it from 100 feet away, no, look at this. This stuff is thick. This stuff is thick. No wonder it was like jumping and bouncing and flying up in the air and trying to kick the body off the chassis. But there you have it, man. Sharp Customs. I want to get out more and I want to show you this stuff. That's what I love to do. I love to do that, man. We did not hurt this car one bit whatsoever. It's dirty. We lost a wheel. We might have scuffed a little bit of fiberglass. You know, off the bottom. All this, it's just dust. Look at that. It's just dust. It just needs a good hose down. But yeah, there you have it, man. We got out with Ruby Red for a second time. We got actually a little bit longer run with no interruptions, and yeah, it's a killer. It's a queen. Sharp Customs. Peace. Love you all. I'm out.